Hello all, welcome to our channel SOS Berlin. Here we explain the handling of our JS7 product. Today's topic is how to add runtime on a workflow. Let's get started. First we have to log into the Job Cockpit dashboard. Use your credential and click on the login button. The credential includes the account root and the password root. From the dashboard, you can see the controller and the agents are up and running. Click on the configuration tab. Use the existing workflow from the left inventory to add a runtime on it. I'm using runtime folder, expand the controller and then workflow. From the workflow, you can see the 3 jobs are available in a workflow and using just a simple script into the jobs. Click on the daily plan, subfolder will expand, click on calendar, a new right window will open, click on new calendar button and give a name to your calendar. After giving a name to your calendar, click on the submit button. Click on the created calendar and a view will open. Select the type of calendar from date to date for the calendar. I'm using 1st of July to the 31st of December. Click on add frequency button and select the frequency. Here I am selecting every day with the valid from and valid to date. Add the frequency, click on submit button. The frequency will add it to the calendar. Now the calendar is valid, click on release to release the calendar. Now from the left menu, move to the schedules. A new right window will open. Click on new schedule button to create a schedule. Give a proper name to your schedule and click on submit button. Select the schedule. Now you need to select the workflow name. From the drop down menu, select the workflow on which you want to apply the schedule. Here I am selecting the workflow name runtime. Select both the checkboxes for automatic plan, the order. Click on the runtime button from the right corner and assign the calendar to the schedule. Here I am selecting the calendar and add a period. I am using cyclic and repeat interval of 2 hours and selecting the time, start and the end time for the workflow. After selecting the time, click on the save and the runtime will add it to the schedule. Close the window and click on release button to release the daily plan. Here the daily plan is released. Now move to the daily plan view and select the date from to and from date to create the daily plan. Click on create daily plan button, move to the select and from the drop down menu select the workflow and the schedule. Tick the override button and submit to controller button. Click on submit. You can see the daily plan is created for the selected dates. If you move to the dates, you can see the daily plan is created for the runtime workflow. Move to the workflow view from the top and expand the runtime workflow. You can see the order is scheduled and 2 orders are added on the workflow. This order will automatically start when the runtime will occur. Here our runtime on a workflow completed successfully. Please comment for any questions. Thank you for watching our video.